Jack?
Jack, can you practice with Blanco? Can you do that?
I can
That's what you have to do here.
go.
Okay, Simon, why don't you come sit right here by Jack? Okay?
Oh.
Yep, in a minute.
On those tops?
How many candles are there, Simon?
1, 2.
That's all Jack is, Jack is 2.
You ready?
Going on
Should we
there.
sing?
That's cute.
Hot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jack. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow them out.
One. Oh, good. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yay!
Look at him. He's still not
Going
sure.
on
Look.
here.
Just out of you.
No, that's not good.
Now he's got the spirit.
Hey, Kim.
What is that, Jack?
A tractor.
Wow.
Cool tractor. Let's open it. Simon, these are Jack's toys. You have to ask nicely if you're going to play with them.
Yeah!
Hey, Kim, you're missing it.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah! Let's open some other ones. Want to open this one, Jack? What? This one.
Why don't we put another present?
Oh, Jack? Okay, let's open this one, Jack. Look, here's another present. Okay, Jack, let's do this one.
Oh, sweet.
Open this one. Okay,
that right
Simon.
now.
No. It's Jack's present. Okay, go, Jack.
That's so sweet of you, but he's playing with, he wants to be
What's
with his
in
brother.
there?
In a couple minutes he'll want it, okay?
Open it. Tear it apart. What's a car?
Okay, guess.
Hey, Jack.
Another one for Jack.
One more.
No. I got it. No, that Luann's gonna take that. That's yours.
What is that? It's just a surprise. Where
A monster for you. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Let's open it. Jeff, what did you
Yeah, Big Daddy.
She's saying another
There's
one. I love
Simon.
it.
Another truck.
Oh yeah. That sounds.
What is that?
What is that? Oh, he's in a little car.
Is that football ball?
I want you to watch what Jack's doing. It's kind of his day.
You want to open another present? Look, Grandpa's got some more.
Did you say no?
He said no. Look, here's a little tiny one. Look, Jack, you want to open that?
Yeah.
Okay, pull it off. There's a little tiny thing in there. What is that? What is that?
Monkey.
Oh, it's a monkey. Look how cute that little monkey is. Do you want He was trying to get the paper off of it. He just threw it up.
It doesn't have a motor in it like
That's over my finger, Jack.
Do you want to open those?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Here's one. Can you open it?
It's getting in the way of my guard.
Yeah, somehow Simon is constantly right in front of the camera.
Well, guess he didn't want to open it. Okay.
Open
Jack, let's open those. Look. Let's open it.
What? Like,
Let's open it,
It's
Jack.
like, why? I got everything I wanted.
Hey, Simon. Okay, will you just sit there for a minute and let Jack open it? Yeah.
Didn't I tell you that's what he'd say? Oh,
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Want to open that one? Okay, open that one. Can Grandma help get it started?
Another.
Can you get it? Kind of. That guy taped it up really good, didn't he? Oh, there you go.
Jack's good at opening.
a pig book. Jack, can you say hi to me? Hi, Jack. You're not in there anymore. Look, Gary. Say hi. Hey, Jack, how old are you? How old are you? Jack, how old are you? Look out the window. How old are you? Say, I'm 2. Jack, how many is this? Simon, can you say happy birthday, Jack?
Happy birthday, Jack.
Simon, look at the camera. Can you say hi?
Hi,
How old are you going to be on your next birthday?
I'm 5.
Well, first you're going to be 1 less than 5. What are you going to be before you're 5?
My next birthday.
How old are you now?
3.
3, and then you're going to be 4.
I'm 4 now.
You're 4 now?
Yes.
Well, you're actually 3. You're 3 and a half. You had Jack's birthday, and you turned 4? Oh.
Who's driving?
That's funny. You turned 4 on Daddy's birthday, too, huh? Do you have any advice for your 2-year-old son?
Nope.
On your graduation day?
Don't go to law school.
There's Grandma and Grandpa, except there's a big window behind his head, so you can't really see
Give
him.
me an angelic appearance.
And there's Aunt Whitney and Ivy. Ivy, can you say happy birthday, Jack? How old are you, Ivy?
2.
You're 2. You know, when's your birthday?
3.
You're gonna be 3.